Something in your eyes, babe. It's telling me you want me, babe. Tonight is your night. See, you don't have to ask for nothing. I'll give you everything you need. So, girl, don't be shy.
Okay, y'all, so today I'm kind of leaning toward like a chocolatey brown smoky eye. I think that's what I'm gonna do, in like some really, really muted, almost pale nude lips. Let's get into it. Going into the Douce palette by Juvias Place, I'm just gonna dip into this shade here. It's called Berry Mousse. So I'm gonna put that color on my brow bone, and I'm using this synthetic duo fiber brush from Reveal. So I'm just going to press it in. I just want something neutral and matte up top. Now taking the shade Nana from the Magic palette by Juvias Place. I'm going to put that on a big fluffy brush and just tap it on at first. I'm pressing it in first because I'm not setting my concealer. Because when you do that, your eyeshadows come out with more pigmentation. So that's my transition shade. So smoky eyes are like the most easy eyeshadow look you can do. Like when I'm feeling, I don't want to say basic, but like when I don't really feel like going in with a lot of detail, or I'm not feeling as creative, I always opt for like a smoky eye. And you can make any color smoky eye. It doesn't have to be like brown, black, blue. You can do like purple, red, green, even like a forest green. I'm gonna do that real soon. But you know what? That's probably a fall color. So, okay. It's like a smoky forest green. Is that considered a fall shade, y'all? Somebody let me know down in the comments below. Taking a little bit of this shade right here called Taza. I hope I'm not butchering those names, y'all. Oh my gosh. But I'm going to put that a little bit lower than this first brown shade. The reason that you take your colors lower and lower is so you have that gradient effect. Like you want to be able to see, you don't want to see where a color stop and start, but you do want like a nice gradient from each color, from one color to the next. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. I can see already. With like a pale muted nude lipstick. Girl, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? Sometimes I just feel so creative. Okay, I'm taking a little bit of Fez now from the Saharan 2 palette. Girl, this one right here. Okay. Taking some of that chocolate brown. And I'm getting like deeper and deeper, if you can tell. Because this last brown color, girl, is so chocolatey and deep. You gonna see. So now, because I want this last brown color that's going on my lid to be really, really smoky and like dark, I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow base. This is black gold foil. It's just, girl, you can use any kind of black cream liner, gel liner, what have you. This got like some gold glitter in it, which I'm not too worried about. I don't know if it'll pick up on the camera. Yeah, see that gold glitter? Not really opting for gold glitter, but it is what it is. I'm gonna take a little bit of it and kind of put it on my lid and then kind of blend it out. So tip number one, when you add in like a black cream, you always want to start nearest to your lash line, and you want to start like in the middle. For a smoky eye now, you want to start in the middle. That is going to help with like blending it into everything else without having a super harsh line. Okay? And just take your time. Just do a little bit at a time, and try not to bring it too far out. Like, you don't want it way out there. You just want to have enough of it. And then whatever is left, you just gradually bring that up. So see how smoky that look already? Which we're going to cover this up, girl. So don't even pay this little gold glitter no attention. Because, girl, we finna straight do away with that, okay? Nobody didn't even invite them to the party, no way. Now I'm going to use this flat synthetic brush from e.l.f. Going back into the Douce palette from Juvias. I'm going to do a whole video on these palettes. I'm going to dip into... I want to say this shade, y'all, don't pick at me. I want to say this shade is called Chocolate. Chocolate. Or is it just regular chocolate? My fault. But I'm going to place that right over top of this black cream liner. So just press it in. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. So we just going to press that right on in. Going back into the Magic palette first, I'm going to take, hold on, Brownin. This gold shade, y'all. Oh, that is so pretty. And y'all know I like a exaggerated in the corner. And it's crazy because I used to did not like that. So from the Saharan 2 palette, I'm going to take Aziza. Okay. And y'all, it look white, but it's like a gold. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to put that a little closer into my tear duct. Oh my God, girl. You sleep if you don't know what's up with Juvia's Place. Girl, it's just something about like, oh girl, it's just something about it. I'm gonna just leave it at that because it's just something about it. And if you don't know, now you know.
Steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you dey mash up.
So today I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 5N2 Amber Honey. This is looking so much lighter than it should. But you know what? It is what it is. And for some reason it's burning. What the heck? Oh my gosh, what is going on? So I don't know what the issue was with that. This darn foundation burning my face like that, but glad that's over. I think I'm gonna do the same thing that I did previously in my last video with the purple makeup and the purple backdrop, I'm gonna do my concealer the same way that I did in that video, and I'm gonna blend it out. This sponge is fairly damp, but I think what it was, why everything was so flawless, was because of that powder that I put down first before my foundation. I think that might be what's good, what's going on with Tarte Maracuja Creaseless. Y'all, I will use a product until it is almost gone, literally. Before I repurchase it. And I will even cut the jar and get the butter out the duck. Okay, so my sponge is a little drier than I thought, so that's okay. That's good. Yeah, I be feeling like a movie star every time I do this under eye concealer. It just make you look so Hollywood. With my Morphe M507, I'm going back into Taza from the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm gonna sweep that underneath my lash line. Just to match what's going on at the top. Now with my E36, I'm going back into the Douce palette, into that chocolatey brown that we put on the lid. And I'm going to put that right underneath the lash line, so further up. Now taking Corrupt eyeshadow from MakeupGeek Cosmetics, I'm going to put that on an angle brush and rat on my lash line. So I'm going to experiment today with my highlight. I'm going to go into Marrakesh and Aziza together from the Saharan 2 palette. Y'all, I'm having so much fun with this palette. And I'm just going to see how that look. Flip it over and kind of blend it in. It's not bad, I just gotta blend it. Okay. I'm gonna take a tiny brush for my nose. Ooh. Dang, I did way too much. Wow. Okay. Let's just try and blend that out. Girl, and it ain't trying to go nowhere. Okay, that's good. I wanted to go with like a orange kind of blush, but I don't have one like that. So I'm gonna attempt to use Earlybird eyeshadow from MakeupGeek, and it looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to put that on my cheeks today. So just how I would normally do any other blush. I don't want too much. I never did like an orange tone blush. It looked good. That's why I like to experiment with makeup, because you never know what you might and might not like until you test it out on you. But that's good. So you can't really see it, which I like, because I won't even say that because I'm always changing things up. But typically I do not wear a lot of blush. Like, not where you can visually see it bam in your face and taking over the whole conversation. So I'm taking this rosy taupe color again. Kind of match my shirt a little bit. 915 Blushing Beige from Maybeline. And I'm just going to take the back of this brush and kind of blend it in. I'm going to take this high pigment pearl gloss from Jouer, and it's called Maui. Oh my God. Every single time I use this, y'all, I'm not even playing. It's like I forget how good it smells until I put it on my lip, and it smells so good. It's like coconut. It just smells so good. And I love these lashes. I'm not sure the style because I reuse my lashes. I just get them from my local beauty supply. But you know what? That's for another video.